Okay, let's unwrap this and see what it looks like. It's a pretty solid structure now. It's not flexible, not moving. I think it turned out pretty good. There, now, kind of happy with how it turned out. Now, time to start making it pretty. A little bit stronger and prettier. All right, now that we've got it unwrapped, I've got it sanded with 80 grit to get the original shape back as close as you can with what's there. And now we're going to fill this in with a fiberglass filler, Fiberlight. There's several other companies that make something similar, but this one always worked best for me. Use a little white cream hardener. You don't have to be white cream hardener, just cream hardener. The white tends to make it easier to cover with paint and gel coat. Mix it up real good. Try not to get any air pockets in there if you can. All right. And just put it on, start working it in. Just work slowly, you ain't got to be in too big of a rush. If it starts to harden up, just quit. And you may have to do this a couple times to get the shape back. Try to work it in the little cracks. What I'll do, just as this starts to set up, when it's still a little soft and tender, or not quite hardened, is when you want to start sanding. Just past the wet side. And it's a whole lot easier sanding that way than it is if you just wait till it dries completely. And as it's drying, I'll come in here and take my finger and kind of smooth it a little bit. Creates a lot less sanding later. And it's getting to a point we need to start sanding here in just a second. All right, now it's right there about that stage that's good for shaping, and just take and lightly sand it. Don't mash hard at all. If you mash real hard, you'll just roll it out of there. But it's just the point that it's not wet. And if you think it's a little too wet, stop. But now is an easy time to get it down without a lot of effort. All right, and I'm going to do a lot more shaping and sanding and fill in all the other areas, and I'll come back when I get all that done.